Hey Gull Lake Marine fans, Brandon here with Gull Lake Marine. For this boat of the week, we're doing something special. We're gonna try to make you guess what the boat is. Hopefully you can guess it by the time I have it unwrapped. So, start guessing. Alright, if you guessed a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, you're correct. So that's the boat of the week, Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. So let's start on the bow. So this boat is packaged with the fishing package. Gives you the fishing seat up front, completely wide open. You got integrated storage up in the bow, anchor storage in my opinion. We have an insulated ice box here, dry storage, put what you want in there. Move back to the cooler seat with a backrest, integrated rod holders, or put your flowers in there. So coming to the center of the boat, highlighting the helm, we're going to start with the 5-spoke stainless steel Montauk wheel, just allowing you to drive and maneuver the boat easier. The throttle position is in a very comfortable located position. You have a full interpretation of the instruments, specifically RPMs, fuel and volts, horn, nav anchor light, main bilge, aux bilge, and an extra accessory switch. You have room for an optional GPS, navigation system, fish finder, depth finder. You do have the option to select that on Boston Whaler's website. Big, nice port side helm door, lots of storage inside there, equipped with a battery on and off switch. You have the option to sit at the helm. It's a pivoting pilot seat. You can operate the boat standing up comfortably. In this position with a couple other guests, you can sit back here socially and conversate really nicely. This boat is also equipped with the rear port and starboard jump seats. Really comfortable. You got an inside grab bar allowing you for a little extra security inside the boat. Plenty of leg room. This one's equipped with the Mercury 115 command thrust. That is the extra bigger horsepower engine available. It comes standard with the 90. We feel like the 115 is a really good fit for these boats. But the Montauk is just a rich heritage. Boston Whaler is one of the most iconic brands out there on the market. Come see a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk today. Thanks for watching. Hulk Hogan, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and George Washington. I would want to take it down to the Keys and do all the inlands and tour the islands. White chocolate. Talk to animals. Wine and cheese. Let my mom catch the first fish.